Well, hello, and good evening, everybody. It is not morning or even afternoon at this point. I spent the entire day Christmas shopping, so I did not get to record towards the end of the day here as the market was closing, but we only had one option expiring today. And spoiler alert, we did get put 100 shares. So let's take a peek here. All right. In the position, silver. We got assigned silver today, which is just fine. That's kind of the reason we're buying the puts, is we don't mind getting assigned. So, anyways, what we're looking at here is we were assigned today, and current price for silver being 26.92, and I cannot remember. I think it was. Let's see. Let's take a peek. Where were we? 27.50 was our strike price. So we got paid 27 cents at 27.50. So our break even price for that gathering of shares would be $27.23. And so we lost just a little bit of money there. We could have bought it a little lower, I guess you could say, but that's just how the game goes sometimes. So not too worried about it at all. Um, Let me show you. I got to show you this. I got to show you because like right now, if you guys remember when I started this, it was up $84 for the year. When I started this $10,000, well, I added the 10,000 and I started this kind of account challenge for myself here. So we're down $187 now. Today was a decent day. Got 156 back, but around noontime yesterday, I peeked in here and I did screenshot it, and it was kind of ugly. And I think it was even worse than this on the 18th when the market crashed, because I had gotten on, shot my video, talked about how I thought the Fed meeting was going to go. I was on point with everything that happened, everything that was said. I was not on point with the market reaction. I do not understand that still. I obviously the market was expecting a whole lot more than what I think most people knew was coming, but think the market got just a little bit ahead of itself and a little too greedy on that one. And they got greedy, put us all in fear. Well, not all of us, because I really didn't take a lot of actions at all when the market was falling. In fact, I wasn't really paying attention. And I probably wouldn't have taken actions anyways. I might have in my other accounts, my bigger accounts, I may have, and I did after the fact, uh, basically buy to close a couple of covered calls I had going because the pricing had dropped so far that I was able to buy them back really cheap. And as the market recovers over the next couple of days here, I'm probably going to sell those same calls again and take that opportunity that is presented. This time, unfortunately, because this challenge was new, we were still in the acquiring phase. So we've been selling puts. We do not have any calls sold against our shares at this point in time. If not, a market drop like that is a fantastic time to cover those positions and buy them to close at a cheaper price and resell them again later. But anyways, yeah. So let's take a peek here real quick. We're coming back up a whole lot here today, and over the next few days, I'm sure that will balance out just a little bit more. Let's see, what's the next one we've got going is Mara. Mara is we got to put it 22.50. Current price is $22, so we're down quite a bit on that. We'll lose 250 bucks on that if Mara does not crawl back into this range of 22.50 here by next Friday. We got paid a pretty penny on that, so $72, 72 cents a share. So our break even on that is at $21 and I believe 88 cents. So we've got a ways to go on that. That's got to come up $2 to get us back to where we're not taking a beating on it. But Mara's going to swing wildly anyways. And I have a funny feeling Bitcoin and Mara are going to make a little bit of a comeback by the end of next week, get us back to even or get us assigned just below the put price there. So, all right, to be honest with you, when I looked in here yesterday, let's look at that picture again. Um, I want to say at one point AT&T was in the money too. So we were just at one point I believe we were in the money on everything, but you can see that that is corrected quite a bit here. Gold is 1545. Strike price we have a put on there is 1550, so that's 5 cents in the money. Not a big deal. That will fluctuate back and forth, and if I get assigned in that, I'm happy about it. I've already assigned in silver, get assigned in gold. May keep those kind of as hedges there on the side. But anyways, Pfizer. Let's take a peek at that. Pfizer's 26.37. We're currently at 26, so we're just out of the money on that. I collected 48 cents or $48 here for that one there, expiring January 17th. But I'm not going in order here apparently. I was going to, and then I got sidetracked. Okay, so Mara is December 27th. Gold is going to be January 10th. That's the next one. So we were going in order until I got myself distracted. AT&T is the next one, January. No, man, it's been a long day. A lot of time on my feet today, walking malls and doing Christmas shopping all day long. That's a lot of work. But okay, so January 3rd, we've got the put at AT&T for 22.50. It's currently 22.74, so we're just out of money on that. $18 premium collected there. And then finally, Pfizer, January 17th, $48 premium collected on that. We're just out of money on that. So the market, you can tell, you can see, I don't have to tell you guys. If you're watching my channel, you definitely know what the market's done in the last couple of days here. I filmed and everything was hunky dory up here. In fact, the market was green when I was filming on Wednesday, and then finished filming. I was at work just doing my thing. I looked at the market towards the end of the day at the market close and was quite shocked at what I had seen. So like I said, I really didn't take any actions. Yesterday and a little bit this morning, I did because obviously we closed here on Thursday and we opened here on Friday. So at this point here, I was managing a couple of positions. Like I said, a couple covered calls in my larger account. Bought those back to close. As the market rises back up, I plan on selling those same covered calls right at or around the same strike price and just collecting some extra premium on those. But I'm going to try and stay out of the habit of talking about my other accounts on this one. I really want to focus on this. So, yeah, sorry I wasn't with you guys here at the market close. I do plan on doing that on Fridays, but, things that needed to get done for family. So, Christmas shopping, all that, put it off to the last minute. So, I'll be shopping all day today. I'll be going back out again tomorrow and probably a little bit for the next couple days right up until Christmas. So, anyways, I hope you guys all have a great weekend. I appreciate y'all watching and take care.